crypto community, before we get started, just a quick reminder that this video is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you always do your own research before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. Let's talk about Cardano because it's finally showing some strength after a rough few weeks. Right now, it's trading at around $0.6538, up by more than 4% just today. Now, if we take a look at the chart, we can see that it dipped earlier this month, reaching a low of about $0.61 on June 5th, but since then, it's been climbing steadily. Now, this rebound is important because it means that they have built a strong support base around $0.63, and buyers are starting to show real interest again. In the past 24 hours, trading volume jumped over 76%, which is reaching around $680 million. Now, that's a very strong signal. When more people are buying and selling a coin during a rebound, it often means momentum is picking up and it's not just a random spike. Now, the news adds even more context. There was a concern last week that it might fall out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap, especially after large investors sold off over 207 million ADA in a few days. Now, that triggered some fear in the market and ADA dropped. But now the sell-off seems to be over. According to you today, ADA is no longer at risk of falling out of the top 10 thanks to this new price recovery and highest investor activity. On top of that, there is growing talk of Cardano ETF, and Bloomerang analysts just raised the chance of that happening to 75%. If this is approved, that could bring a huge wave of new investors, just like what happened with Bitcoin and when its ETFs got greenlit. Also worth nothing, the Cardano ecosystem is growing very fast. The network now supports more than 2,000 active crypto projects building on its smart contracts. That kind of developer activity shows ADA it's not just surviving, it's still building. So what does this mean for price predictions? If they continue this momentum and break above the $0.68 resistance, the next price targets would be $0.72 and possibly even $0.75. Now, if this fails to push higher, we might see a small pullback to $0.63, but as long as that level holds, bulls are still in control. To wrap things up, Cardano has bounced back from the key support. Big investors are watching again, the ETF buzz is very real, and the ecosystem is growing. So if the broader market stays positive, ADA could be setting up for a solid move higher. Now, that will be all for today. Thank you for watching, crypto community, and I will see you in the next one.